Hey y'all, it's Sabria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on the middle part quick weave with soft curls. To start, I'm parting and braiding down her leave out. If you want to know a tip on how much hair to leave out, go watch my previous video. Now I'm starting the braid down process. I'm using my black Impro style gel. As I've stated before, every braid down is different. So for her hair, I can, or usually for most middle parts actually, I can do 2 braids depending on the hair's density. So yeah, I'm just gonna do 2 big braids, and you do want to try to make them as flat as possible. I'm kind of doing the braid, like pulling it towards the back, where most of the bulkiness will probably be like in the back of her head where you won't be able to tell. And your braids don't have to look perfect, they're going right under a cap. Now I'm just finishing up her base, and like I stated, the braids don't have to look perfect. It's getting covered and the end result is going to be so cute and flat. Now I'm just adding on my cap, and I do like to cut out the ears just to make my cap like as flat as possible near her edges. And now I'm going in with my protective shield as always. You're going to want to thoroughly cover up the cap, like it shouldn't be no spaces where no protectant is on it. The whole entire cap should be covered in protectant. And then I do spray a little got-to-be glue after I cover the entire cap, and then I set her under the dryer for about 10 minutes. Today we'll be using hair from my line called Belux Tresses. This is our Cambodian collection in 2022. My client is back from the dryer, and now I'm just going to outline the perimeter of her cap with glue. With middle parts, my first track always basically goes around the entire head, kind of like facing forward. Don't let the way I'm explaining stuff confuse y'all. Y'all can see what I'm doing. And now I'm just continuing to add on the tracks, and I do like to double my wefts with using my bundles because the wefts are so thin. So by me doubling it, I still will achieve a flat install. Also, my bundles are very good quality and they are kind of expensive, so I don't like to cut them up. So right now I'm just flipping the tracks. That way she can reuse the bundles easily. This is a really, really nice tip, you all. Now that I'm laying the tracks down at the top of her head, I do like to go in and actually flat iron the weft just to get it extremely, extremely flat. I do recommend washing raw hair before installing, but this time we didn't, so now I'm just going through and blow drying just to get all of those crinkles out from the body wave texture. Before I started blow drying, I did add my Heat Protectant and BioSilk to the hair. I love this hair. It's so soft. Look at that natural luster. Now I'm just cutting the cap off. And it's time to flatten the leave out. I do add my She Heat Protectant, my She Hairspray, olive oil, Oil Sheen, BioSilk, and sometimes a wax stick. I'm just pressing out her edges. I do need a new edge flatter, but I got this one from the local beauty supply. It's time for my favorite part, the layers. Layering is something I kind of had to learn through time, and so yeah, this is definitely free game. Layers are essential to bomb curls, and with her like this, her curls are probably going to last all day. She's probably not going to have to recurl them tomorrow. The most important tip I can give with layering is don't be afraid to cut. And she just wanted soft curls, so I didn't really layer the back. I just kind of blended her ends. Time to comb out those curls and just fix the hair to how you want it to lay. And you guys see how her hair is coming such in her face. Those silver clips helped in actually how I laid her tracks. This is a prime example of how important layering is. You see, after I cut the hair a little more, the curl just laid perfectly. And now we're all done. I think it turned out super cute. I don't know, this is giving me wigging style. But yes, the curls are so bomb and so bouncy. All the products and tools I use will be listed in the description, as well as the hair link. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!